Year 6 was another successful period for the bat conservation component of Kootenay Connect with WCS Canada. Most bat species in the Columbia Basin rely on mature trees for roosting, requiring natural cracks, crevices, and exfoliating bark for reproductive success. However, human activities like forestry and land conversion have significantly reduced the availability of suitable roosting sites. To address this, we have been enhancing and restoring bat habitats. In 2024, we created 30 new tree roosts, 15 wildlife trees with strategic chainsaw-created crevices, and 15 branded bark roosts, synthetic bark-wrapped trees designed to provide long-term habitat in forests lacking mature trees. Since the project began, we have constructed a total of 183 roosts, with 131 specifically in Kootenay Connect areas. In Year 6, we created roosts in the Kootenay Connect corridors of Wycliffe, Columbia Lake, Columbia Wetlands, and Slocan Valley. A critical component of bat conservation is monitoring roost use, primarily through guano collection. We use guano traps installed at the base of roosts to help confirm bat occupancy. In 2024, we monitored all 101 previously installed roosts in Kootenay Connect areas. Most roosts have been occupied within 1 to 2 years of construction, although usage varies depends on availability and quality of natural habitats. Genetic analysis of guano has confirmed at least 7 or possibly 8 different bat species using the artificial roosts. We also conducted acoustic and microclimate analysis to track timing and frequency of roost use and measure temperature stability within roosts, which is critical for bat reproductive success. In 2024, we partnered with Wildsight Golden to restore a dilapidated roost used by at-risk bats and swallows on Nature Trust conservation land in Edgewater. Similarly, we enhanced the Parson Airbnb that we constructed in 2023 for at-risk bats and birds. Informed by preliminary monitoring, we made structural changes to improve internal roost temperatures. We also installed a pit tag reader powered by solar energy to track usage by the 369 evicted bats that we tagged through partnerships with the BC government and local citizen scientists. As part of our ongoing acoustic monitoring of bat activity in Kootenay Connect areas, we deployed bat detectors in 7 North American bat monitoring grid cells in Creston Valley, Bonanza Biodiversity Corridor, Wycliffe, Columbia Valley, and Lardo. In 2024, over 45,000 bat passes were recorded and 13 species identified, providing a valuable data set for tracking species diversity and population trends. In response to the Endangered Kosiwik Status Assessment for migratory bats, we amplified our efforts to identify seasonal bat migration corridors. In 2024, we added 4 new monitoring stations and are deploying detectors in both valley bottoms and mountain passes. We are now recording bats long-term with stationary bat detectors in the CVWMA, Stagleap Provincial Park, Columbia Lake, Slocan Lake, Duncan Island, and Parson. These 7 Kootenay Connect acoustic stations are part of our larger Columbia Basin-wide network of year-round bat monitoring aimed at locating critical habitat and delineating important seasonal migration routes. Looking ahead, we will continue working with partners to create and monitor additional bat roosts, contributing to wetland restoration and riparian corridors in the Kootenay region. Our new collaboration with Selkirk College aims to develop a Canadian-made artificial bark product, which we will strategically install in 2025 in partnership with Okanagan Nation Alliance. Our ongoing work with support from Kootenay Connect is making a meaningful impact on bat conservation, ensuring that these critical species have the habitat they need to thrive despite increasing environmental pressures.